Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever your girl posts a new video to the channel. You don't want to miss out on these videos, okay? I'm rolling them out. I'm here. Make sure you guys are following my vlog channel, Life as Mona B. It will be linked in the description box below. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. And I do have a TikTok. Y'all know everything be up in the air with TikTok. And it's at Mona X Banks. Okay. So, I already know y'all seen the title. Y'all be on me in the comments about gels. I've been meaning to do this video a long time ago. This is what y'all be saying to me. Every video, she's using a different gel. I don't know which one to use. She used this one, and she used this one, and she's using this one in this tutorial. So, I'm going to go ahead and go over the gels that you guys have seen me use in my videos. I'm going to go over the ones that you guys have seen me use the most, the ones that you guys see me use a lot in my tutorials, and I'm going to break them down and explain to you guys why I use them for certain hairstyles, the purpose of me using them for particular hairstyles and things like that, because y'all be in the comments like, you got me confused, girl. Like, what's up? So I want to say, before we jump into the gels, I like to use different gels on my channel, number one, because I don't want to bore you guys with using the same products. I use a lot of the same products in a lot of my hair tutorials because it's like, when I like something, I like it. I'm a creature of habit, and I like to just do what works for me, and once it works for me, I'll keep doing it, and I don't really like to try new things in a way. But anyways, we're just going to jump into the gel. So we're going to go ahead and start with the OG, okay? I have been using this gel since the beginning of my natural hair journey back in 2010. Okay, so this is the Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one. This is the only one I really like. This is my absolute favorite. They have some other ones that are cool too, but this one is an OG. It is a staple. I have to have this. Y'all remember all that controversy about this gel now, when everybody was turning against it, but that's none of my business. Because if you're not going to make your natural hair products in your own kitchen, it got chemical. Best believe it. Okay? Boom. So, olive oil Eco Styler gel. Y'all know I do not do wash and goes because I do not have time for wash and goes. They are wash and do the most, and I do not have time for those. Like, y'all know y'all get the little too curly cues, and that's what I give y'all. But what I like to use this gel for is like styles like this, like my puffs. I love to use it for my puffs. I love to use it when I'm like styling, like doing band two-knots or little quick flat twist styles or twisty styles. I love it for stuff like that. I do use this for my buns. You guys have seen me use this Eco Styler gel for my buns. I'm gonna sit this down because it's heavy, but y'all have seen me use it for like my buns and things like that. I still like it for my buns. It does do really good on my hair in general. It's not a super hard hold gel. I find that when I use that gel, like today I did a puff, I can go back tomorrow and go ahead and wear my afro. I know a lot of people complain about flaking. I do get some flaking, and when I do get flaking, y'all have seen my video, and if you haven't, I'll link it in the description box below, but I'll just like refresh my hair with water and it takes the flaking away. But I like to use the Eco Styler gel for, you know, like I said, puffs, buns, things of that nature. It is a holy grail in my collection. That's why you guys see me use it. And it has always worked, especially on my puffs. Like, if I don't use no other gel, that's a gel I'm definitely going to use for a puff like I did today. Because like I said, like, if I wanted to not wear this puff tomorrow, I could take my band off and I could just get in the shower, let the moisture hit my hair, and my hair will go back into afro form, like, you know, my full fro. It's not all stiff. It won't be hard. And honestly, out of all the gels that I'm going to show you guys today, this gel leaves my hair the least dirtiest, if that makes sense. So that's why it's definitely a staple for me. It's just an all-around staple when it comes to many styles that you guys have seen me do on my channel. And it is just my go-to. It never fails me. It always does me good. Okay, so moving on to another gel that is pretty similar to the Eco Styler gel that you guys have seen me use is the Lusti Organics Olive Oil Styling Gel. Now, this is from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if they still sell this because I haven't seen it in a while in my local Dollar Tree. But y'all, this is some really good gel, especially for $1, and especially if you have like low porosity hair. this gel is, especially if you're gonna do like a bun, this is some fast drying gel. A lot of times, like when I use Eco Styler gel, it's my holy grail, it's my fave. But when I use it on my buns, I definitely, y'all know how y'all see me set my hair overnight. I have to, because it takes a lot longer for it to dry. And I do have low porosity hair. But this is some fast drying gel, and it is super affordable, you guys, and it definitely gets the job done. It's a really nice gel. Like, it really is for $1. And it definitely it says that it is fast drying, and it is. So if you're looking for a gel that you want to dry fast, because you know how gel is, you have to let gel dry. That's why y'all always see me prep my hair overnight, and I sleep with it overnight like that. But yeah, this is fast drying. I'm using it a while, but I definitely do like this gel, okay? And it's only $1. So you can use a gel from the same purposes, pubs, buns, things like that, when you're doing your twist styles or whatever the case may be. I'm not sure how this will work on wash and go. Moving on to another holy grail. This is the Ampro Pro Style Super Hold Protein Styling Gel. Alcohol and paraben free, protein rich, non-flaking, hard hold, and protective. I used to use this a lot in high school. This was like the only gel. Do y'all remember when like literally this was like the only gel on the market in reality? Like, in my opinion, this was like the only, I don't remember using no other gel growing up. This black gel was the gel that you use for all your sleek back ponytails and all of that, especially when you were relaxed. Like, I used to do like little track ponytails and everything. Y'all know how you slick down your hair, your fresh permed hair. You put that little straight track ponytail up on there, and you be looking all cute. This was the this is definitely like my go-to. I still use this. It does have protein. I know a lot of people don't like to put extra protein on their hair. I feel like this is definitely a one step up from the Eco Styler gel. This is definitely going to give you a lot more hold, but I use this for the same purpose. I definitely use this when I want my style to last a lot longer. Now, don't get me wrong, my buns and stuff will last with the other two gels that I showed you, but this is definitely going to give me a little bit more longevity with my buns and my pubs. It's going to give me a more hold. It definitely is. You guys know I always usually pair this with like freeze spray, and it really gives like an extra hold. Also, what I like about this is when you first apply this onto your natural hair, it slicks your hair immediately. I find that I don't have to like run my brush through my hair too much, and also it smooths really well with your hands. So this is definitely a gel that you can put on, because I think because it's so dense, it definitely gets in there and it slicks the hair down. So if you definitely are looking for a one step up from Eco Styler gel, this is going to be her. She gives more of a, it says super hold, but in my opinion, it gives more of a medium hold. And that's what I like about it. It definitely is one step up. And another thing I like about that gel too is when it flakes, it's brown, so you can't really see it. Like, and I also like when you spray it like to refresh your hair with water, it still gives you that nice thick consistency, so you can go back and slick your hair back down, and you usually don't even really have to reapply any more product because of how dense and thick it is. So I do like that. Y'all know, because natural hair like to curl up. So last but definitely not least, my newfound favorite for the last year has been the Style Factor Edge Booster Stronghold Styling Gel. This is definitely a staple. It is the most expensive gel out of the ones I've showed you guys. I really like this gel, you guys. And the reason why I like it is because it gives me hold quick. Like, say for instance, I'm running late somewhere and I really need to throw my hair up in a bun. Yeah, usually I don't have to set my hair overnight when I use this. I can use this, put my hair up in a bun, put my Marley hair on, and run out the door, because it's gonna give me, this is stronghold. Like, this is hold, like make your hair hard hold. And sometimes I even still use freeze spray on top of this. But this right here, I don't know about for wash and goes and stuff like that, for like buns and puffs and sleek styles or low buns and like this is what I use this for. This is my go-to when I am in a hurry. Out of all the gels I showed you, this is what's going to sleek my hair the fastest. And I do have fine natural hair, but y'all know, like I said, how natural hair can be. Natural hair don't like to hold up, but this works for me in all temperatures. I live in Georgia. It's hot here. This always does me good no matter what. I know a lot of people are on the fence about this. I do have a lot of tutorials and videos and reviews on this, so I will link them in the description box. Now, this does flake on me after a few days. It does. And what I typically do is I just spray my hair with some water, brush my hair up, tie it down, and I'm good to go. So, but I don't even care about that, y'all. The fact that this holds so well is unmatched. Especially when you use this like on when your hair is damp, it really gives you a good hold. But yeah, that's why I use it, you guys. I like it. It gives me a really good hold. So that's pretty much why I use the gels that y'all see in the videos. They all work for me. They all serve different purposes. They all have different hold levels. So it all depends on like what you're looking for. Like I started with the gels that I feel like hold the least amount of days, and then I went into the gels that hold for like a week at a time. Like this will definitely hold your ponytail, your style a week or longer. Honestly, it really will, especially if you tie your hair up at night. I personally have never come across a gel that does not flake. I know sometimes you guys come in, y'all say y'all certain gels don't flake. I don't know. All gel has always flaked in my hair since the beginning of time. I have never come across a gel that does not flake. So maybe you guys can let me know in the comments what gels you guys say that don't flake, and I will check them out. Or let me know some of you guys' favorite gels to use for your puffs, your buns, your sleek styles, not wash and goes, for your sleek styles. And I will definitely look into those and try them out because I like trying new things. But yeah, you guys, that's why y'all see me use the different gels. I mean, they all serve a purpose. You can use whichever one, but like I said, they all get different hold, and they all give me different things. Like I wouldn't use this gel to do like my flat twist. You get what I'm saying? Like it's just too thick. I wouldn't use that for that. I'm going for something a little lighter, like Eco Styler gel or the Lusti gel when I'm doing styles like that. So y'all get what I'm saying? That's why y'all see me use so many gels, because like all gels don't go for the same purpose. Also depends on the thickness of your hair. Depending on how thick your hair is, you might need a stronger hold gel. And also, you guys always ask me a lot of questions about how do I get my hair so sleek. If you're having a hard time, if your hair is thicker than mine, make sure you are doing your hair when it's wet. Don't do it when it's dry. It is going to be a lot harder to get all of that thick hair down. So when you wet your hair, it kind of molds your hair down to your head, and it will be a lot easier to slick your hair down. Let me know if you guys want me to go over edge controls, why I like certain edge controls, what edge controls I use for like braids, what edge controls I use for, you know, my edges or certain styles. Let me know if you guys want me to do edge controls next, and I can definitely do that for you guys. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.